Alright, double calipers installed. This is how they should look like. Bear in mind to keep the valve up, because that's the only way you can to properly bleed the system later on. Only thing missing now is adding the lines to the back and route them inside the car. But before that, you gotta install the lever first inside the car. So let's go. Inside the office now, this is the magic stick. This is the lever that's going to be used for the handbrake. So this is where this is going to be assembled. Right in the console, I mean not console anymore, the X to be console, but right in the tunnel, the transmission tunnel. We just need to find a place to position this right here so we can yank it to go. This is a pull forward style of lever. Of course you pull it, but forward means that the cylinder will be here. So it provides a little bit of more room here. The line will be there and the cylinder will be all over there. So it helps with the room around here. All you gotta do is install that now. Slap the cylinder in, do the lines, and we ready to go, fellas. Party time. That's where I think it's gonna fit. Alright, I did some measurements here. I think we have a lot of clearance. It is not going to go all the way, but we're just test fitting, you know, to check the clearance. So sitting still, it's gonna be like this, somewhat 90 degree vertical, and then 45 more or less for the activation. I think it's okay. This is where we're gonna do the markings for drilling and for fixation. What I actually want to do with this is do some tunnel reinforcements. Race car Kama Sutra, guys. If you know, we know. See you on the other side. Good. So after drilling the holes on the transmission tunnel, this is the mount that's going to be used for the lever of the handbrake. We want to reinforce this a little bit because this will be on a lot of action, and whenever yanking this there will be no regrets. There's no turning back, so I do not want this to flex. So we are designing just a base plate to reinforce it and make it a little bit stronger. Deu até metade só, vai. Só um... Pronto? Isso. Beleza. Vai, aperta até dar um limiter da frente. Até o final, de uma vez só. Yeah, it's not going anywhere, fellas. GG. Now all we gotta do is route these lines here. Show the master cylinder to the back, that's it. We're Gucci. Attach the idle line and route it to the back. So let's go. Now we attach the T, which is gonna route this to the two calipers in the back, which goes in the back of the car, and it's done. We are on the rear now, driver's side on the left. We're going to attach this line here. Right side now, passenger, same thing. Install the idle lines in the caliper, and that's it. Idle line is installed now in the calipers. All we need to do now is find a way for these guys inside the cabin. I'm gonna do a hole right here, so we're able to route the lines inside the car. GG. Nice. Other side. GG. Okay, now we're gonna make this tight. All right, the other side now. Good enough. Half inside, room it, solid. Okay, handbrake installed, mount ready, lines ready, all the way to the back. All we gotta do now is finish tightening up the main bolt of the hydraulic line. Afterwards, add some fluid inside the reservoir and bleed. This is the gangster trick. One side, another side, so you can visually see when you are pumping the lever inside, you collect them here. This way we know that the lines are already probably full of fluid. Now we attach the lines again to the caliper, so we can properly bleed from the bleed itself. Okay, now we're bleeding. This is the cheat code right here. Of course, you can actuate the lever right there, but when you're doing this, it's way easier. You have a reservoir container to catch your extra fluid, and also a gauge for the pressure, and you can see all the bubbles coming in. So check this out. This is air. You don't want that. Hope this is self-explanatory. Okay, other side, same thing. Time to slap the wheels back in. Putting some spares for testing purposes, if you know what I mean. Oh shit. Other side now. It's tight in here. Time to get it down and go for a ride. Okay. Whoopsie. Cold start after a long while. Let's see how this goes. We partying, boys. We partying. Let's see. Looks like it works. Testing, hello. It worked. Let's see. One more time. Let's do a turn around over there. Lights off. Party time. Let's go! It worked! Woohoo! A lot of noise in the back, but it is as expected because the pads are new, brand new, out of the box, so they need some wear. Let's wear some pads out. First gear, accelerate and brake at the same time. Them discs might be hot now. Well, everything looks okay. The actuation of the Ebrake, the sliding, the actual brakes, everything. Just need more serious testing now, but we're good. Handbrake fully functional, as we already tested. Now it's time for the final touches. This is the cherry on top. Solid.
Follow No Mod No Life on Instagram. Thanks, motherfuckers.